Hello, I'm Darmeshia West, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. And I just want to welcome you to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. And if you have subscribed to my channel, please share, comment, like. And I appreciate your support for being here. So this is week 9. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this is week 9 of the clinical solutions. I'm on a Mary Kay journey. I did it for 8 weeks and I've been posting my results. I was very pleased with my results. I did notice my radiance. My skin was a lot smoother, the firmness, less wrinkles. So I did enjoy my 8 weeks. So I just want to let you know that even after the 8 weeks, you can continue on. You don't stop. What you're doing is once your skin have become retinized with Mary Kay solutions, then you incorporate this into your regular skincare routine. As you know that I'm on the time-wise repair set. And so now I just incorporate it in. Like I said, this is week 9, and so I was able to incorporate it in 3 times this week. That feels more comfortable with me. I'm going to try to do better this week in week 10 coming up to see can I do it 4 times. I'm going to try 4 times. When I did it in week 8 was kind of a little pressing because I was going to bed late. So I'm going to have to redo my schedule and try to get in bed earlier, especially on the nights when I know I'm going to be doing my clinical solutions. So if you have any questions, let me know. I thank everyone for you being on a journey with me, and I ask you to continue to go forward with me. I'm going to go all the way to week 16. Yes, week 16. So like I said, I did see some results with my skin. I was excited about that. I'll post a picture this weekend. This will be my 9-week results for its pictures. And I was able to go out without any makeup on. And what I mean with makeup, I didn't have no foundation on, guys. I just had mascara, liquid eyeshadow, and lip gloss on. So I was excited about my pictures, and I just been showing them off. But great results. I talked about this weekend, of course. I had bumps on my face. I had my mask on a lot, so I have bumps on my face. So that is normal because we're having to wear the mask. So it's not a reaction towards my clinical solutions. So I just want to express that to you. It's not a reaction to the clinical solutions. It's because of the bumps wearing the mask. So our skin does not like it. Another thing that I was excited about it, I'm gonna try to keep this video short and sweet. Another thing that I was able to do this past week, I was able to incorporate some of the products that I could not use during my 8 weeks. So one of them being the vitamin C replenishing serum C+E. I was able to incorporate that back into my regimen, tone correcting serum. And what else? I did the eye patches. What else did I use? I don't even have it in here, but I did my charcoal mask and my moisture renewing gel mask. So you can check out my previous videos when I talk about them in upcoming videos. But I was able to add those in. The only thing that I did not add back in was my sonic brush with my massage head. I have not had a chance to add it back in. I've kind of got used to just washing my face with a washcloth. And once again, that's optional. I don't know if when I was younger, I feel like I'm drowning when I'm splashing that water on my face. So I tend to use a washcloth. You don't have to use a washcloth. That's just my preference. I guess I have PTSD when it comes to splashing that water, washing my face with water. You know, holding your face down and washing with water. I can't do that. So I use a washcloth. So that's what I do. I use a washcloth. But I'm going to show you some pictures of my face in my 9-week So once again, I'm excited. I'm happy about my face, my skin. It feels wonderful, guys. Hoping to see more results at the end of my journey, 16 weeks. So stay tuned. If you have any questions concerning the Mary Kay solutions, let me know. I'm on a journey. If you would like to join me, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you along your journey with the Mary Kay solutions. But as you can see, I'm loving. I am loving. Really, I really am. So thank you for watching. You have a great evening, great day, whenever you may watch this. But anyway, please like and subscribe to my channel if you have not so. And stay tuned for more videos of Mary Kay products. Thank you.